In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create this trippy, distorted pixel sort effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm gonna go right here, go to our bottom left, go to new and just make a new adjustment layer. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our first effect, which is gonna be s_pixel sort. It is a part of a paid plugin. You do have to pay for it in order to use this effect, which is gonna be s_pixel sort. I'll make sure to link it in the description to those who want to buy the plugin I am using right now, which is called Sapphire Universe. Starting off, I'm gonna go right here to our sort angle, and we're gonna put at 90, and it's gonna switch our angle of our kind of fading effect right here, and it's gonna give a nice trivia effect already. So we're gonna zoom out a bit, then we're gonna head towards the middle of our adjustment layer, about right here, and we're gonna put our threshold at 0.25 and click on our time watch to create our first keyframe. Head towards the end of our clip right here, and we're gonna put it at 0.6, and we're gonna push our keyframe all the way to the end, highlight these two keyframes, and easy it by pressing F9 on our keyboard. Close out our menu, then we're gonna go ahead and add a noise effect right here. It's gonna be under noise and grain, drag and noise, turn off use color noise, and we're gonna put our amount at 20. Close out our menu right here, then we're gonna go ahead and add a nice and simple glow effect. It's gonna be under stylize, drag in the glow, and put our radius at 55. Close out our menu, then we're gonna go ahead and add optics compensation. We're gonna head over to the start of our clip, click right here on our time watch and put our FOV at 150. Make sure to actually click our reverse lens distort, or this is gonna happen to your clip, what I just did right here. So make sure it's always checked off when you want to make a nice warping effect, or you're gonna give this weird kind of a circle effect. So I'm just gonna click reverse lens distort, open up our timeline to reveal the keyframe we just made, and we're gonna put our FOV at 38 right here. Highlight our keyframes and F9 to ease it. Push our keyframe to the end and close out this menu right here. And I'm gonna close out our timeline, save our project so we don't lose this effect we just made. And yeah, that is all you need in order to create this trippy, distorted pixel sort effect for your next music video or edit. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video or you learned something new. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or even just share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep on staying creative. Peace out.